8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Good day everyone and welcome back to Katek Tech YouTube channel. Let's have some fun and learn something while watching our videos. Kindly subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell, like and share our videos. Alright, let's the fun begin!
Alright guys, for today's video nga, meron po tayong Super Spray Map, Smarter Cleaning, Happier Living. Ito nga po pala ay nabili sa Pan Emirates dito sa bansang Qatar. But I think you can buy this any part of this world. Just try to look around when you go inside the supermarket. As you can see, I already opened it and I'm gonna bring it out one by one. Just stay still, relax, and enjoy watching. Will not take more time. Here it comes now, the pad or the cleaning pad. And here it comes also, the one in the middle section. Here comes also the water tank. Let's remove the plastic. It looks like a spaceship. Wow, it's so really deep that my hand, it looks like cannot reach the end. And tara! Here comes the mounting pad. Let's take a look properly if there's nothing left inside the box. Everything is out, then let's start assembling this map. We'll start here in the mounting pad. Let's connect this water tank. You don't have to worry in assembling because it is very easy. You just have to match the groove so you can insert it correctly, just like this.
Lumilintang ah. Ano? Ayun na nga oh. Ano?
Don't worry on the little scratch, it's just nothing. I think it's better to remove first the water tank so we can insert it properly. Let's connect now the end or the handle. Just press this little one so we can insert this handle. Okay. Perfect. This water tank, just put only water. You can put also a little cleaning detergent and then just return to its water tank holder. Just a little push and it will be perfectly insert. Yeah. And lastly, let's attach this cleaning pad. As you can see, it's very quick and easy. Just press with your finger this trigger to spray a water on the floor and enjoy cleaning the floor. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and always supporting Katiktek YouTube channel. Let's meet again in our next video to be uploaded. Enjoy whatever happens. Keep safe wherever you are and God bless us all. Bye-bye. See ya.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah,